In this episode, we talk about features not supported by maintenance care. Let's get into it. Hi there, welcome to part 5 of a 10-part series on everything that you need to know about maintenance care. I'm Devon Hennig with SelectHub, and I'm here to give you a detailed tour and my honest, unbiased opinions about maintenance care, its platform, its pricing, its alternatives, and more. In this episode, we're talking about key features not supported by maintenance care. The following are features that SelectHub found to be missing or still in development. Context about workarounds and whether or not these are still planned is mentioned where possible. Number 1, advanced project management. While maintenance care provides comprehensive task and work order management, it does not offer other project management capabilities such as Gantt charts, project timelines, or risk assessments that some organizations may want. That said, through its Zapier integration, maintenance care can connect to other project management systems like Asana and Trello as a workaround. Number 2, machine learning and AI-driven maintenance. Some CMMS tools include AI-driven predictive maintenance features, which utilize machine learning algorithms to predict when equipment may fail based on patterns and data analysis. Currently, maintenance care does not offer this level of artificial intelligence, but it is coming soon. Number 3, native ERP integrations. Larger organizations often require integrations with their existing enterprise resource planning, or ERP systems, for seamless operations. Currently, maintenance care does not offer extensive native ERP integrations. That said, thanks to its open API, technical teams may be able to integrate it with their ERP. Number 4, offline access and on-premise support. Maintenance care does not support offline access, which can be a limitation in areas with poor internet connectivity. It is also a cloud-only solution and does not offer an on-premise option. Number 5, advanced IoT integration. As Internet of Things, or IoT devices, become more common in maintenance management, some CMMS systems are offering advanced IoT integrations. Beyond temperature sensors and its Alexa integration, maintenance care does not natively support many IoT devices directly. Realistically, most of the features I just mentioned are relevant for large enterprises only. Rest assured that maintenance care is a comprehensive solution for most teams in need of an easy-to-use, affordable CMMS. There you go, some features not supported by maintenance care. For the rest of this series, including the full review and maintenance care alternatives, check the links in the description. If you're at the point you just want to talk to someone or see maintenance care in action, get a demo in the description or download our CMMS resources. They're great if you're still in the research phase of your buying journey. All right, folks, that's it, that's all. Have a good one. Cheers.